This video is only for information and education purpose. Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply Chase credit card. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, before applying credit card, to avoid rejection, or you can say to avoid any kind of disapproval, you need to keep in your mind, you need to be ready some things like you should have your legal name, and you should have your like SSN or your TIN number, and you should have your like street address, and you should have your gross annual income, and you should have your employment status, and you should have your like your housing cost, and you should have your phone number. And this thing also you need to keep in your mind, that is like Chase have one rule, that is like rule number 5 by 24. Chase would not approve a credit card application for someone who has opened 5 or more new credit card from any issuer in last 24 months. So if you have any kind of this kind of related issue, then you cannot approved by Chase. Okay, you are going to reject by Chase. Now come to the point how you can apply. So in this case you need to type on any search browser like Chase, how to apply Chase credit card. And once you get the result, you need to click on first one result, and once you get you are on the official website, and you need to choose your credit card, which credit card you want to apply. You need to select anyone, and once we select any card, like we are going to choose this credit card, and we need to click on over here apply now. And once we click on apply now, you will see over here there are lots of options available, and you can see this is an option over here, apply as guest. And once we click on apply as guest, it will be redirected to a new window, and on this window you need to fill out some details related to your, you can say, account and all. You need to enter your details like your personal number, your identification number, your date of birth, your tax ID, and your social security number, and your home address, your contact information. And you need to check this button, and once you check this button, you need to provide your financial information, type of residence like on, rent or other, and you need to enter your gross income, your employment status. And once you fill out each and every details, you need to enter like you must have 5 authorized users to your account. They will send an individual card for each one, and select add authorized users. You need to select you need to add authorized users in your you can say in this form, and tick this button like paperless on. And you don't need to do this anything, okay, but read this agreement very carefully, and click on hit I read it agreements and all, and click on submit, and that's it. By using this method, you can apply for Chase credit card. If you have any issue, you can make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.